You can pretty much count on a woman to act according to female nature. What is female nature? That's the thing you have to spend some time contemplating. What
Mm-hmm.
is female nature?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You guys do have to learn that. Us men out here can't do all the legwork for you. Nick, do you have anything?
Oh man. So neo-feminists are feminists in a more trad garb,
Yeah, pretty
but
much.
they're working to achieve a different thing.
Yes.
However, I think the result will still be to the continued destruction of the building block of society, which is the family. Do not bite. Stay away.
Absolutely, and amen. Well, that's all we have for you guys this evening. Yes, Saturday. Have no idea what Saturday is. We did no planning while we were on break whatsoever, guys. This topic was decided about 5 hours before the start of the stream. And but if you like what you heard, please share this video. I think this is an idea that men need to hear.